Hey, do you need me to clean out these clothes for you? Emily, do you need me to clean up these clothes for you?
No, it's fine. I'll do it myself.
Dear Emily, remember that day we talked about what would happen if one of us leaves? I wrote this letter the day after that. The day we first met, you immediately became my best friend. I told myself, what an independent woman. A bit crazy, but definitely strong. So fierce, and yet you have such a kind heart. We shared a lot of moments together, be it a heartbreak from the people we dated or graduating from college together. Those were the best moments of my life. A life without you would truly be boring and dull. It would be like taking the light out of a perfectly good light bulb. It would be completely and utterly useless.
Baby!
But, my love, with your tenacity, I do fear one thing. When life gives you several rotten eggs instead of lemons, will you be able to handle it well? I hope so, because if you do find this letter, then that means life has given you a rotten egg, and I won't be there to buy you new ones. I want you to remember something. I chose to be with a beautiful woman with values and opinions so strong. She blew my mind away. And she can defeat anything. I can't be there to comfort you when I'm gone, but find comfort in knowing that I believe you can get through this. You are an amazing person, Emily, and I will never stop loving you. Yours, always and forever, Lucas.